Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zweli. Please do not forget to like, share and also subscribe. So fans of the telenovela The River are saddened to learn that Homla Dandala will be leaving the much loved show, you guys. The news were revealed by entertainment blogger Phil Mpila, who wrote on Twitter. He said, Film Pella wrote, breaking Homla Dandala has left hashtag the river one magic hashtag Kopolo reports. Homla Dandala then confirmed the sad news on his Insta stories and said this guys, he wrote, the end of an actor's time on a long time running show is always bittersweet. Wishing my colleagues a smooth, fruitful run, you will be missed. Homla has been playing the role of Zweli Dikana since the show's inception, you guys. Now, it has not been revealed how he will leave the show, but rumors are saying that his character of Zweli will get killed, you guys. Now, please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Bye.